Franklin Aussie Adventures. So today I went to Kmart and I got an Our Generation doll. Her name is Leslie and I'm going to be unboxing it with you. So let's get started. This tape is very hard to get off. Oh, there you go. Okay. So this is how So it just slides out like that, and then you've got to take it out. So I'm going to try to open it again. So this. So Mum's gonna. Oh yeah. So you kind of want to do it from the back, so she'll come out like probably quite easy. But
Is she stuck?
the rubber bands, yeah, there's rubber bands, and they stick really well. I don't know where they would be.
Just be really careful with those, Eva.
Yeah.
Be careful with the scissors.
So be careful so you don't hurt the doll. I mean, not hurt the doll. Hurt yourself or cut the doll. So just very careful with this. So, oh yeah, she's connected to the dog, so I'm just going to take the leash out. No, she's not standing up, so my carpet is kind of not letting her stand up. So.
Can you sit her down?
I'll sit her. Yeah, she can sit. There you go. She will not sit down. So there you go. So my mum just got that out, and it's just a tugger rod and a brush and like a ball. So I just take it out. It's really hard to get out, but if you put your mind to it, like I said before, you can do it. So it actually feels like the real thing, like if you have a dog or someone with a dog that has something like that, it's real. So I'll show you. It's really cute, and it's like almost real. And then there's this ball which on the picture she's holding. She's holding that right there. The ball. And then there's this tree. It doesn't really look like one, but then you realise, I realised because my nan has a dog and she used to love these things. I think she still likes them. So it just reminded me of them. So it's like a treat. I can also see in the picture because it's under the dog's mouth. And there is a comb to brush the dog.
That looks like a wire comb too.
She does have the dog that kind of connects to her, but you can take it off. But that's the dog. And this is the dog, and this thing can actually come off. So
Best.
Yeah, it's a vest, so it comes off. I'll show you what it looks like when it's off. So it just comes off like 1, 2, 3. It's connected there, so you're gonna have to take that off.
We're going to do that.
Yeah, Mum's gonna do that. I still think this is a husky. I don't know why. It just looks like one paper. But the comb actually works on the dog, so this is for the dog. It's not for the doll, but if you want to use it for the doll, you can. But I think it's more for the dog because dogs need to be brushed, at least like that. So, my mum just did this for me, so thank you, Mum. It's just like, it's like a dress with long sleeves, so that's the vest. It's very up here. Here's her leggings. They're like, I don't know what I would say. They're like these flowers, like blue
They're like
flowers.
stockings, aren't they?
Yeah, they're like stockings. I don't know
Sure.
why. But then all our generations have colours for the underwear. That one's purple. I didn't do a box opening of Vivian when she first came to me because I didn't have a YouTube channel then. So she had pink though. And then she's got like these snow boots, I would describe it. You can take them off. They're kind of like stockings. They come on pretty easy. So, okay, it's a bit hard though right now because
You need 2 hands.
yeah, you need 2 hands. One's a little hard. But yeah, that's what
She's
she.
got very nice hair. Eva.
Yeah, she has really nice hair. I was really confused that she had pigtails on here when I got her because she had another hair tie here, but I realised that's just to hold the head in and the hair in. It's actually meant to be pigtails like on the picture, so probably don't get confused about that. But that's the doll, but I did notice something about this brush. It's got a paw print on it. It's at the end of the brush, it's right there. So it's pretty cute. It should be there. So yeah, it's really cute. But that's the doll. So yeah, she's pretty cute and she's probably going to be one of my favourites from now.
Why do you like her so much?
I like her a lot.
Who isn't she?
Yeah, she's the opposite to me. I don't have like a blondie doll except for Meredith. She's over there. Mama got it for me because I'm not close to there. So I did a video trying to do a hairstyle for her.
She's a journey girl though.
She's a journey girl. She's not our generation or anything. So yeah, she's my only blonde 18-inch dolls. These are 18 inches if you're wondering what size they are.
So you love her because she's different from you.
Yeah, it's different.
And she's got a great story.
Yeah, I love her story, so I'm going to have to read that. What's it called? Ourgeneration.com. You can read her story, and I really want to read her story. I hope you guys like this video, and this is all for today. Bye! Thanks for watching my channel.